So hi everyone, I'm Martin, I'm from Gog Circus and I'm going to be teaching how to juggle with 1, with 2 and with 3 balls. Now first, for your choice of ball you're going to juggle with, you can have some proper juggling balls like these, or you can juggle with just about anything that's about the size of your hand and in terms of weight about 100 grams. So tennis balls are really good. A potato, you can even juggle with potatoes, or even just some balled up socks. They're a bit light, but you can still learn to juggle with them. So you don't need to have proper juggling balls, but you'll probably get them in a toy shop or Poundland for a small amount of money, or just what you've got lying around the house. So we're going to start with one ball, and all you're going to do is relax your shoulders, put your hands by your sides and throw the ball from one side to the other, from left to right and from right to left, left to right and right to left. And as you're throwing, you'll concentrate on keeping everything relaxed, not having to run around or jump for the ball, not reaching up to catch the ball, but keeping your hands down by your sides. When you've got that really comfortable, you can feel like you can throw and catch using only one hand to throw and one hand to catch. You can start putting in a clap in between, so you have to start thinking about something else. So throw, clap, catch, or two claps, throw, clap, clap, catch. And just to make it interesting, we can try some different sorts of throws as well. So you can try throwing under one arm and catching in the other hand. You could try throwing it under your leg. Or you could even try throwing it behind your back. It's all about getting really comfortable with throwing one ball in lots of different ways. And when you're ready, pick up two balls, and what you're going to do is you're going to throw the first ball in the same way as you did before, but while it's in the air, you're then going to throw the other ball across. So they will cross over in the air, and it goes like this: throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Start with your good hand, so right, left for me. It might be your left hand if you're stronger from your left. Whichever way you feel most comfortable, you should also practice it the other way. So start with your weaker hand, doing that throw, throw, catch, catch. Common mistake here is while the ball is in the air, people try to pass the other ball across underneath it like that. That's fine for practicing two, but we're working on 3 balls, and so you need to make sure you get them both in the air and thrown to the same height. You'll find yourself walking forwards and walking backwards. That's okay. If you really want to address that problem, stand in front of a bed and you can practice your juggling over the bed. Then you can't walk forwards, and also you don't have to bend down so far to pick them up. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. When you've got that really comfortable, you feel like you can do it almost without thinking about it, we're going to add in the third ball. So you start with 2 in your strong hand, 1 in the other hand. So for me, 2 in my right hand. And you're going to do exactly the same at the same speed. So throw, throw, catch, catch. But before that second ball lands, we've got to get rid of the third one. So it goes 1, 2, 3 and stop. It's quite slow. 1, 2, 3 and stop. And if you can do that, you're almost there. That is almost juggling. 1, 2, 3 and stop. Keep doing that until you can get 3 throws and 3 catches most of the time. 1, 2, 3 and stop. 1, 2, 3 and stop. And then you can try getting a few more catches. It will all work the same way. So throw, 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 throw. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I change the colour of one of the balls, you'll see that really there's only ever one ball in the air, and it's just going around in a figure of 8 shape like that. Look, watch the orange ball. All you've ever really got is one ball in the air at a time, and you're getting ready to throw the next ball. And as you get better, you'll be able to do it lower and faster and more smoothly. Good luck. Happy juggling.